I wonder what this thing I come to. What them I deal with? Wagwan, them goodly bandits. Certain things no right, no right. Where is the focus? Upon what them I focus? Yeah, Jamaica, just to the beat. I and I can't speak. Want to freedom of speech, just to the beat. We can't express myself in all the song, they know the beat food we eat. Just to the beat. I and I can't talk, can't tell me fans everything in my thoughts. Them only want me music play on sidewalk. Certain things them not broadcast, but I want the people go on, but the people go on. Me chat certain things them ban me. Me chat about the system them can't stand me. Sing for the girls it's like them want angry. I want the people go on, but really I go on. Me chat certain things them fight me. Pan them chat them now want to highlight me. People who I want cause them thing they no spite me. So me say, what we fi do then? What we fi do? We now go water down the thing just to please. So no, it's like them really want me go back, go hand up and bust. It's like them want the every cut, find the every cut. It's like them want Rodney Price, hell figure repost. That not happen, it can't happen, could never. We have we ambition, we dignity, we pride, we proud and we culture. Dance and can't hide through the beat. I and I can't speak. Want to freedom of speech, just to the beat. We can't express myself in all the song, they know the beat food we eat. Just to the beat. I and I can't speak. Nah, 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 nah.
Everything in my thoughts.
Can't talk, everything in my thoughts. Question, where we gonna go from here? What's the focus? It's like them one dance all for disappear. Who's gonna help us? Y'all slackness and violence, them blame us. And from living our culture, them refrain us, restrain us. But no matter what them try, them can't tame us with them beat. I and I can't speak. Want to freedom of speech, just to the beat. We can't express myself in all the song, they know the beat food we eat. Just to the beat. I and I can't talk, can't tell me fans everything in my thoughts. Them only want me music play on sidewalk. Certain things them not broadcast, but I want the people go on, but the people go on. Me chat certain things them ban me. Me chat about the system them can't stand me. Sing for the girls it's like them want angry. I want the people go on, but really I go on. Me chat certain things them fight me. Pan them chat them no want to highlight me. People who I want cause them think they no spite me. So me say, what we fi do then? What we fi do? It's like them want with them for hungry. Nah, what we fi do then? What we fi do? Them a look out for themselves only. To all them systems set up, the whole of we fed up. I dance all music let me hold me head up. Yeah, yeah. Just to the beat. That same beat.
Freedom of speech.
Just to the beat. Beat, 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 beat.
Just to the beat.
Still can't chop me from put a big tune on the beat. Network jukebox. Just to the